Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lufitri Sari. I am management class 22B. On this happy occasion, I will discuss material regarding capital budget. What is capital budget? Capital budget is a business evaluation process to assess whether or not a project or big company plan is flexible or not. Meanwhile, the definition of capital budget in financial management is the process of analyzing the input and output of a project from a financial perspective to ensure the project activity, the expected profit. So, among other business process, capital budget is the most essential. If an agreement is not agreed in the capital budget process, then a company project of any size might not be started when capital budget is carried out. The finance divisions actually condition to interest, namely 1. The interest of future profit, and 2. The interest of investor. Next, benefits of capital budget for company. So project or investment rise factor in the capital budget process. The financial definition is obligate to research what is called potential occur if the project start. The list of risks must then be fixed and a solution sought. So, if it turns out that the risk is too great, then the party responsible for the project is obligated to submit a solution plan before the project is approved. Determining the types of project that can be done. The second benefit of capital budget is that it profits alternative projects that are less risky or profitable for the company. Anyone can submit a project plan to bypass the capital budget process. However, the company reserves the risk to determine which plan is better funded. So, helping companies make long-term plan in the capital budget process, the financial definition can generally create several project implementation option and project. So, before approving funding for a project, generally the financial definition will first reading final with net for a period of at least 1 year, showing the profitable side of the project to investor for companies with funding from investor. So capital budget is a profitable process. Apart from being proof of the company, professionals' capital budget can also show the profitable of a project based on real bill debts. Avoiding the project from unscrupulous person, it cannot be denied that company projects are one of the activities prone to mark ups by irresponsible individuals with capital budget. You can avoid potential violation by those responsible for project in the company, so that company fund can be used as effectively and efficiently as possible without any acts or of corruption. Next, various capital budget methods. Net present value or NPV, the first capital budget method is net present value or NPV. In the method, the project budget will be calculated based on the potential development of each value in the future. The NPV method calculation can only be accepted if the project has a value above IDR 0. To better understand, below is an example of capital budget. Use the net present value method. In the NPV method, an example of a capital budget case is as follows. Petitioner Jaya intended to profit if IDR 2 billion in one of the company projects, namely project of Project B, Project A, process case below of IDR year for 20 year with a discount rate of 10. Meanwhile, Project B project can flow of IDR 90 million for 30 years with a discount rate of 10. Next, internal rates of return or IRR. The next capital budget method is internal rate of return or IRR. The IRR capital budget method is a method that considers time in addition to calculating the future value or FV of money. Various experts say that the IRR method is much more effective and accurate than NPV. So, average rate of return or IRR, the next capital budget method is the average rate of return. So, capital similar to IRR, but what is calculated is the average annual income. Payback period or PP, the next capital budget method is the payback period, which is a capital budget method based on the return time of the funding. In this method, capital budget decisions are taken based on the duration of the project to reach BEP. Next, important aspects in capital budget. Fluctuation stock in anti-caption. If you expect fluctuation in demand occur prior sales, forecast error, production time, delivery of goods. Anti-caption stock in anticipation of predictable demand. Next, lot size inventory, product or profits, goods in current quantities, excesses, next or request. Next, pipeline inventory, inventory in stock, delivery process from place of origin to place where the item will be used. In general, the benefits of capital budget is that you can think of your funding needs is more detailed. This is because the funds are set up for a proof or more than 1 year. For most companies, capital budget is one of the main source of company profit. With capital budget, company can calculate the level of profit. So that will be often in the long term. Capital budget and cost of capital, or CUC, are two interrelated concepts. We cannot determine the amount of the cost of capital if we do not know the amount of the capital budget, and conversely, we cannot determine the amount of the capital budget if we do not know the value of the cost of capital. Next, what is budget important? Apart from companies, a budget is a financial plan that is important for individuals to understand to manage the finances. Budget is very competent for planning the use of money in the future. Calculating a budget is an important process to determine which income is sufficient to meet expense. For most companies, capital budget is one of the main sources of profit for the company because with capital budget they can calculate the level of profit they will get in the long term. Thank you.